Had an inspirational morning here at the Building Bridges Intergenerational Conference in Gwent, which has been showcasing some brilliant projects and programmes focused on bringing younger and older generations together. Everything from Pimp My Zimmer, Zimmer Zumba, dancing, singing, planting rhubarb, helping people out with their gardens, and simple befriending. The projects that are taking place here are having significant benefits both to the younger people who are taking part in them and the older generations. Schools have seen improved behaviour and improved attendance, and older people have seen significant reductions in antipsychotic drugs and significant improvement in mood and happiness. So there's absolutely nothing not to love about the work that's going on here. Building relationships between older people and younger people is often far more effective than anything our public services can do. It's an absolutely brilliant example of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, and I really commend the public services here in Gwent who are investing in this type of model, the volunteers, both young and old, who are playing their parts in delivering these brilliant programmes as well. Well done everyone, Diane Pow.